A lot of people who try to sell anything online simply are not doing a good job of it. This is the main reason why the vast majority of people trying to sell affiliate products simply can't make a living off their online marketing. It's not because these people are dumb. It's not because they are incapable of making money online. I hate to break it to you, but the whole idea of build it and they will come is just a pipe dream. It may have worked 10 years ago, but believe me, it doesn't work today. If you truly want to create passive income using online properties, listen up. You have to create a sales funnel. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn what is a really profitable sales funnel. You will know how to identify if your sales funnel is working. You will learn about its different components. You will know where exactly effective sales funnels start. You will also learn how to optimize your funnel properly. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies. Discover how to optimize your sales funnel for maximum conversions. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is a sales funnel? Effective sales funnels start with product knowledge, translating consumer intelligence into a workable content strategy. Content funnels explained. Understanding your content funnel's L pages. Make sure your content funnel integrates well with your conversion funnel. Understand your conversion options. Optimizing your funnels, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to optimize your funnels for maximum conversions. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to convert visitors into buyers. You want to succeed with your own sales funnels. You do not want to create a leaky bucket. You truly want to create passive income using online properties. You want to make a living off your online marketing. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Sales Funnel Optimization Strategies Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to optimize your funnels for maximum conversions, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you optimize your funnels for maximum conversions. I'll see you on the inside.